Into matters business, where the Association of Futures Market held its 27th annual conference that was hosted by the Nairobi Securities Exchange in Nairobi. Now, the two-day conference aims to focus on advancing the derivatives market in Africa and leveraging technology to increase efficiency in trading and clearance processes. Now, the president of the Association of Futures Markets has reiterated the need for African exchange to leverage the derivatives market and identify the numerous opportunities that exist in the market. Justus Ogalo, the head of derivatives at the NSE, has urged retail investors to utilize the products in Kenya.
In one way, we are using this as a platform to better the operational side of our market, make it a lot more efficient and conducive to retail investors who are from the tip of the spear of part of NSE's strategy for 2025-2029.
So I think if you look at Africa and the huge amount of opportunities, there's not many derivative markets around NSE. I'm so glad they're up and running, and the launch of option products that just complements the derivatives, because now you've got futures and options. If you look at South Africa, is also a well-established derivative market, but I think we have to be realistic. Derivatives are a hugely valuable instrument to manage price risk.
The biggest problem is, we've seen this with the World Economic Forum and the World Bank and others talk about a multi-trillion-dollar financing gap. Now, estimates vary between $2 trillion to $5 trillion a year, but one thing's for true: there's a massive gap. The money isn't getting into the projects at the rate that it should be. We see that in Kenya, where we are today, and we also see that across Global South projects. So the real challenge is, finding means that unlock that finance, which then starts to flow into those water, energy, and food security projects. And as a result of that, the carbon credits that could be generated also increase the return.
Exchange needs some sort of secret sauce, whether it is on the clearing, trading, order entry, market data. There's so many pieces, and the technology is evolving so quickly that there's a real opportunity for exchanges to take a product that gets you most of the way there and then build on top of it to get to market faster for a fraction of the cost.
Challenges. Of course, I wouldn't go without saying challenges. Much as we are raising money for our economies, you can see government bonds, fixed income products have been really growing quite well. We have a drought for the IPOs. There are not that many IPOs coming up, but we are growing also the sustainability agenda and the green finance and so on. So many initiatives are taking place.